I think the title of this article gives the best definition that can be found for the AdSense program of Google. Through its AdSense program, Google let you acquire without the requirement for you to offer anything at all to anybody anyplace. Numerous people, including who is composing this article at the present time, are profiting and accepting checks from Google a seemingly endless amount of time after month. Furthermore, there are numerous web business people that are creating higher earnings from taking part in the AdSense program than from the immediate offers of their own items or administrations. Okay, you are believing that I revealed to you something that essentially has no importance as gaining cash without selling. How might it work? The appropriate response is basic: you are paid per click and not per deal. The AdSense program of Google is an assistance that let you, and any other person that gives some sort of substance on the web, to turn into a distributor for the pay-per-click publicizing program they run. You can consider it to be, where three distinct subjects are included: advertisers, Google, publishers. The publicists join Google PPC administration, named AdWords, so as to advance their administrations or items to the tremendous group of spectators that this mammoth web crawler has every day. They offer on explicit catchphrases that are important to the administrations or items they sell and have their promotions shown on Google when scans are made for the picked watchwords. They pay to Google for each visit to their locales that originates from this advancement, so they pay for each snap. Google at that point opened another help called AdSense that is an expansion to AdWords. It is a help for online distributors, and let you show on your site pages promotions of the AdWords publicists focused to the catchphrases of your website pages. It is altogether done naturally when you include the straightforward code that AdSense gives you once you are affirmed for their administration. When a guest of your destinations taps on one connection of the AdSense promotions that your site shows, the AdWords publicist is charged by Google for the snap or guest that is conveyed to his site, and you are credited by Google a portion of that cash in your AdSense account. So you are paid for selling nothing by any stretch of the imagination, however only for the snap that the AdSense advertisement got in one of your website pages. Obviously, the Google AdWords sponsors are keen on selling the items and administrations they advance paying for each guest sent to their site, and I genuinely trust that the snaps that expansion my AdSense pay advantage the publicists that pay me through Google. However, this in any case isn't my worry or something I need to stress when I make my destinations and add the AdSense code to them. I am progressively keen on making site pages that are fascinating for my guests and give them valuable substance. I stress to furnish them with clarifications and connections of good assets on the off chance that I don't have straightforwardly the chance to offer them an item or a help, and the promotions showed by Google are an expansion that can be fascinating and valuable for them and can expand my pay. I think it appears to be all exceptionally straightforward from the above clarifications. One thing that is imperative to know is that the Google AdWords program is amazingly packed, and there are extremely a great deal of watchwords and key expressions with enormous challenge and exceptionally high offers. This implies sponsors pay a great deal of cash for each and every snap for those catchphrases. Obviously, likewise, AdSense distributors can procure a great deal of cash in the event that they have destinations identified with those catchphrases that get numerous guests and numerous snaps to the Google advertisements. Click the link in the description for more information.